Today on Dead Dodge Garage, we fixed this. No idle no more. Why does it look like this thing spent some quality time in a pond? It's all Edelbrocks in my life these days. This one was brand new when I put it on here. Well, 5 years ago or more. Anyway. Oh yeah, the Demon's out of gas. Like all the way. Oopsie! I think this thing has 340 Swinger clogged solid air bleed syndrome. So we'll just pull the lid off, blow out the gunk, and blow those out and say a prayer. I think it'll be fine. And then maybe, just maybe, my wife can drive this thing again. It's just that easy. Now I can actually tune it. Yay! Huh. Wow. Okay. It was dying again a second ago, but now it's just fixed. I don't know why this thing is possessed, but it is. Yeah. This thing's just demented. Cannot get the idle speed any lower. Put it in gear, it drops to where it should be, and then it slowly starts loading up and dropping lower and lower. Yeah. Throttle's all the way shut, still idles this high. Well, maybe it's that, I don't know. I'm not an expert or anything, but Jesus. This was a reversible phenolic centered spacer tapered to square bore. Where's the phenolic piece? I put this together, I think. Why would I have left it out? Don't know. Anyway, this rail, it's not enough meat to seal. So that explains that mystery and how I've never been able to tune this thing right. I remember now we used that spacer because the guy I built this car for, after we sold it to him, works at AutoZone, and that's all they had. Lucky for me, I've got one of these in my collection. Demon, the gift that keeps on giving. Well, the idle screw actually does something now. How about that? The carburetor is held down with 3 random bolts I found, but still a vast improvement, so I'm going to say it's fine. And tune it again. Yeah, it ran amazing. For about 8 seconds. Still stalling, still junk. Then my daughter asked, "Daddy, when will my scooter get fixed?" As much as I'd like to get her used to the realities of life now and leave this thing sitting for another few months, it is a really nice day, so I guess I'll see what I can do. Neighbors ran over it, just for fun. On today's episode of I Never Finished Anything, Mrs. Jamie's station wagon. When last we left off, I had gotten it running well and found the vacuum leak just in time for the idles to clog up and everything to go to crap again. So today, I'm gonna just, I don't know, open the carburetor and fix it. I hope. Oh, also I lost the lights in the shop. It's this whole thing. I don't want to talk about it. Plenty of fuel pressure in this one, I'll tell you what. Man, I'm good at stuff. Didn't even tear the gasket. You know, same as the Demon, despite sitting for years, there's no gunk in there. That's just tarnish. Would you stop? Come on. Well, there goes that paint. Anywho, I guess now I'll blow the air bleeds out again and put everything back together and maybe it'll be fine. Well, if I said there wasn't any gunk, I was mistaken. What's this? Why is it gummy? Why does it look like, I don't know, sugar? I mean, what? This makes no sense. Guess I'm cleaning the bowls after all. Well, it idles again. Thing's just got a bad attitude. Can't get it quite right. Even with the idle screws closed all the way, it'll still kind of idle, but I don't see fuel dribbling out of the mains. I don't know. I guess I should test drive it for a couple days or something. Smash it with a hammer. Wagon update. It's been driving fine for a week and a half. Pretty sure it's fixed forever and it'll never break again.